In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this sandwich. Just some simple ingredients here. You've got your Swiss cheese, American cheese, ham, eggs, milk, and some Italian bread. Don't forget about this view here in Slab City, Southern California. Off-grid cooking coming right up. Off-grid in Slab City, I'm here to roll out a new menu item for the Slab City Grill. This new item is called Moons Over Slab City, and I'm going to give you guys a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to make an easy, delicious sandwich. Check it out, guys. Moons Over Slab City. That is delicious. Mmm. Hey Z, how you doing today?
Hey, Devin. Zala wants to know if you've got anything on the grill.
Yeah, I just started a new sandwich for the grill business. It's called Moons Over Slab City.
Moon's Over Slab City.
Did you want to check that out?
What do you think, Zala? You want to try some? She says, yeah, I will.
Okay, let me get it started for you.
All right.
Thank you.
Very good.
Moons Over Slab City. It's like an egg, ham, and cheese.
Moon's Over Slab City.
You're an egg.
All right.
That's a very cool name.
Yeah, Z's a good customer of mine.
He's a good human. I think about that speaker, so I forgot it.
You gotta go back up there to get
No, I ain't got it yet, but I do got it. So let me do that real quick.
Okay.
And then, you're okay, you got it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So I'll be right back.
Okay.
Because I'm going to see about getting a ride. Or see if I can go, like, have these other rides.
Okay.
See you later.
Hi, sweetheart.
Have a good
Nice
day.
meeting you.
You too. All right, Z, here you go.
All right, yeah. Keep Zala off my back. Thank you so much.
Yep.
That looks great. That looks great. See what you're not having done up?
Look, Z.
It looks great, man.
All right.
That's one of the best looking sandwiches I've seen in a while.
Cool.
Yeah.
There's a soda.
All right.
There you
Well, I
go.
appreciate it.
Yep, you're welcome.
And that'll keep me going for today.
All right, I'll see you soon.
All right, Zala, come on. You ain't getting none.
Take.